Trichofolliculomas are benign skin adnexal follicular hamartomatous tumours. They arise on the face, particularly the nose, but they may occasionally occur on the scalp and the neck. The age they arise at tends to be in the second decade. They are solitary, skin-coloured, dome-shaped nodules, and some of them have a central pore with a wool-like tuft of hair. And this is a very useful diagnostic clinical feature. Histologically, a trichofolliculoma is composed of a central large dilated follicle, and radiating around this are smaller secondary follicles that contain vellus hairs. The central or primary follicle is lined by stratified squamous epithelium and contains keratin and hair. And the follicle may open onto the surface of the skin with an ostium. Here is a really nice low power view of a trichofolliculoma. You can see a large cystically dilated primary follicle that opens onto the surface of the skin, and around this are radiating secondary smaller follicles. You can see the primary follicle contains keratin and is lined by stratified squamous epithelium, and around it are small secondary follicles. And this is a high power view of one of the secondary follicles.